In this guide, I'll show you how to download and install games from Steam. If you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the video. This process is especially useful if you've recently purchased a game on Steam, or if you already own games in your Steam library and want to install them. To get started, open Steam and click on the Library tab at the top of the window. Your library contains all the games associated with your Steam account. You can view your games in the panel on the left side. If you don't see them, check your filters and make sure the Games category is selected. Next, select the game you want to install. For this example, I'll choose Brawlhalla. Once you've selected the game, click the Install button. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to choose the installation location and adjust a few installation options. After selecting your preferences, click Install. That's all there is to it. Steam will automatically download and install the game. Once the installation is complete, you can launch the game and start playing.